Ladies, I fully believe that women make the best real estate investors, and I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is. If you will join me at She Buys It Live, walk through those doors November the 6th, I will promise you that by the time you walk out of those doors on November the 8th, you will also be convinced that women make the best investors. And when women come together to help women become the best real estate investors, y'all, lives are gonna be changed, deals are gonna be made, partnerships are gonna be formed, and you're gonna start realizing all the things that you've been missing. But you gotta walk through those doors right there with me and 118 other women on November 6th through the 9th of 2019. Now, we will be here and in the classroom November 6th, 7th, and 8th. That's a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then the first 50 people that sign up, we're also gonna take a honey hole tour and go see my houses, all right? Because I will put my money where my mouth is. I buy houses, I buy apartments, I buy land, and we're all 50 of us are gonna load up in a bus, a nice coach bus, and we're gonna tour my honey hole. Now, a honey hole is where we go to make the money, honey. So what I'm gonna show you is how you can go home, go to your market, and find your own honey hole. We're gonna cover that in the classroom. But ladies, the classroom isn't the only place where you can learn. You can hang out here on the fake grass. You can hang out under the patio here. That wall will be up there, but we can move that wall, okay? There's lots of things to learn about real estate investing, and the best way for you to actually learn how to find a honey hole is to load up in a bus and go see my honey hole. Go see my houses. Go see the neighborhoods these houses are in. Go see the condition these houses are in. I'm gonna open up my entire portfolio and I'll show you everything that you want to see. We may even go in some houses, who knows? All right? But the classroom is not the only place to learn. You need to put this stuff that you're learning about real estate investing, you need to put it in action. And that's why I want you to be one of the first 50 people to get a ticket to She Buys It Live in Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th. The first 50 people get the 6th through the 9th, and then the other 110 or 15, 20 people, you're not gonna have a seat on the bus. Sorry. You gotta go right now, today, SheBuysItLive.com. We've already sold 8 tickets, plus there's 10 in the mastermind, so that's 18. So there's 30 tickets left, because I gotta have a seat and my husband's gotta have a seat, so there's 30 tickets left to be able to join us on the bus tour, completely included. If you wait and the bus fills up, then it's gonna be the same price, but you're not gonna get the tour. All right, go ahead right now today. Go to SheBuysItLive.com and get your ticket to She Buys It Live. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to help you get your deals done. I can't wait to see how many light bulbs go off and how many aha moments there are and just how much you can grow and change and learn in 3 days here in Knoxville, Tennessee. It's November 6th through the 9th. Go ahead, get your ticket, and then say, yes! I'm going to be on the bus. I'm going to go see the honey hole tour. I can't wait. I can't wait to see you in Knoxville. Go to SheBuysItLive.com right now and get your ticket so that you make it into the top 50.